Hello, welcome back. And if it's your very first time, my name is Martha K. Mirembe. You're most welcome. You're watching Atutaka Solutions. Our main goal here is to attain or build financial independence through these tips I give you, technology tips of social media, stuff like that, working online, working from home, something to help you, give you another source of income so that you're free financially. You don't have to wait for the salary that comes at the end of the month. It may not be enough. Actually, it is never enough. Atanga, you're putting in a lot. So these tips may I give you just to help you here and there. Okay, so if this is what you really want to be hearing, just turn on that notification. After you subscribe, you will know whenever I upload a new video. So today I'm going to give you practical strategies or practical tools that you can use to choose what kind of business that you want to start. I want to go straight away. Okay, you need to identify your passion. What is your passion? Your passion is what is going to drive you through this. Yes, the profits are good, but don't focus so much on the profits, because after all, they're not even going to come like first month, maybe 4 months, maybe 6 months, maybe 1 year, maybe, we don't know, 3 years, depending on the type of business you've done, where you've put it, the location, and whatever, all those things, factors. Okay, so you have to identify your passion, your values as a person, because your values, they're the ones that are going to be emulated in this business of yours. Have you seen people doing the same business? Here, this one sells the same clothes, this one sells the same clothes at the same price, and someone just decides to go and buy there, or they go and buy there. See, it's the same product, but you're not only selling the products, you're selling your values, you're selling your passion, you're selling your energy, you're selling what you stand for, and everything like that, your impact. So before you even start thinking of how much money am I getting from this, just know that every business is profitable, and you can make good money or you can lose good money, whichever way. It's usually both. You be prepared to lose and be prepared to gain the profits. Okay, it's never one always profit. Nope. Which business is that one that is ever profit, especially in the starting? So that's what I'm saying. Shift your eyes away from the profit if you're just starting. Okay. And then any business can be profitable. Think beyond the profits. Consider the impact. Which solution are you providing? Look at a problem in our society. Maybe today, let me give you a live example. Maybe you're like, I hope my voice is audible. Okay. Maybe you're like, the way people dress these days. I'm not telling people how to dress, but really, sometimes you see someone dressed in a way and you're like, wow, and you're like, you want to make a change. So when you're like me, that when I get money, I want to open my boutique, I want to open my apparel business. That business is going to be selling modest clothing. That is what that's what you want to promote. Every business, there's a secret promotion they are doing, like it or not. Even when they started innocently, but as it keeps growing, as many people come to manage it and stuff like that. So sometimes you just look at business like, wow. No, it's not about wow. It's about, they have an agenda. They have what they're looking up to more than this cash. Yes, we want money, but most of the things are beyond money. Okay, so even you let your intentions be right and provide a solution. Or maybe you see people are doing certain things, maybe they are lacking this kind of knowledge, or they are lacking this element or this product. So like, let me start shipping this, or let me start exporting this, or let me do agriculture, or let me do a store in a market, a main market somewhere, because in my area, otherwise people they struggle to go to the main market, to go and just buy beans, good maize, good ugali powder, to go and buy good vinyewa, chipoli, peanut butter, the only good one found, you can just mania, the only good one is found in the main market. So you're like, let me open one here in my locality. Yes, you're providing a solution, but even you're going to be working at the end of the day. Okay, so again, I think that is it for that point. Now the other point is, I want you to ask yourself, is it you're going to run it, or you're going to delegate it from the first time, like from the word go? I want to encourage you to, if it's your very first time, start a business where you're going to be involved, like wholesomely. You're going to be involved so that you can learn the dynamics, the logistics of that business, how it works, what it needs, the ups, the downloads, and everything like that before you even think of, letting it or handing it over to the other person. Unless you're starting a business like maybe pharmaceuticals or a pharmacy, and you just want it for money. That's a different thing. But you're just going to hire qualified personnel, and for you sit home and wait for profit. But if you want to start a business in Gabo, it is you want to build a brand, you want to be involved, okay? You have to be there in the beginning. It's in its initial stages. Okay, so are you in position to do that same thing for 3 years or more? That business you're thinking of, write down a few, 3, 4, 5, 3, narrow them to at least 3 and choose. Be able to be like, ask these questions, all of them, to those all of those businesses, then see which one to choose. Right? But this one, so you see, avoid opening businesses that you can't sustain them, that you'll just be fed up and like, stop opening businesses just for money. Life is more than money. Open a business. Yeah, in the long term, this money will come looking for you. Do something that fulfills you, okay? You being attached to a certain brand of clothes. Some of you want to start liquor businesses because your neighbor makes a lot of money. And it goes against your values. Back to the first point. Don't do that. Are you going to do that business for 3 years? Or are you going to be with that good guilty cautiousness? Oh, but this one, I'm not supposed to be doing. You see, do something that you can sustain. Is it going to be sustainable? Is it for a long run? Okay? Stop opening businesses. You do 1 month, then you go and open another one. Then this one collapses. No, there's time for trying. Yes, try and error. But I mean, like, there's also a time for learning. Now, you've not learned? Okay, now you start learning today. Now think before starting. Okay, me, I've been there starting this. Osiza chipsy, otunze mukende, otunze bino. You've sold everything. Every week, every month or 3 months you're in a new business. That it doesn't work like that. First of all, it spoils the resources, it wastes resources. Yet, if you have one business, do a business. This is another tip. Do a business that you can just build on. That every year you can find other things around it, and just build on it. Maybe if you open the hardware, now you can say, okay, hardware, what other gundi? Maybe no yongera mukati. Then you add in transport of maybe these big cars, big transport vehicles. You hire them, over chairs for events, like things, complementary things, businesses that can work together. Don't start a restaurant and you want to also hardware the next year in the same place. You get what I'm saying? Do something. Choose a business where you're like, okay, according to my values as a passion as a person, I would like to do this. So try to compress them to one common thing. And you're like, you can add on, just keep adding on. Breaking and rebuilding, it's so expensive. Okay, don't do that. And then don't start up something that you'll have to end in order to start something new. That one, I've said it. And then you must be able to train or mentor other people who can do the same thing or even better. Be okay with delegating. Of course, after some time now, you can be able to delegate and learn. You have to learn to delegate. It's a powerful tool, and it will deliberate you. It will give you time to grow, time to think, time to make research. After your business has been set up, now you can allow other people to help you. Pay them some salary, but after you've calculated, it will be avoid doing things all by yourself. Me. Robert Okoze. Business will not work if you've not worked. Try to go beyond that. Okay, and then know that if you are away, this business can still continue. Or if you're dead, death is people normalize death. The time will come and die. So if you die, Can someone run this business?